So today I'm going to show you how to wire a simple plug. Simple plug, but many people don't know how to do it, so we're going to run through it quickly. The tools you'll need are a pair of wire cutters, a small electrical screwdriver, a utility knife or Stanley knife, and a screwdriver with a Phillips head. So first of all, what we need to do is open up the plug, and you can see inside there are 3 terminals and a fuse. 13 amp fuse in most cases, the live terminal, the earth terminal, and the neutral terminal, and it's always that way. There's never any change to it at all. It's always live, earth, neutral. So just slice into the cable and just cut along the cable. Close the utility knife for safety, and then you reveal the cables. The next thing is to cut off the excess outside casing and discard that, and there we have the cables. Blue is neutral, brown is live, yellow and green are earth. So the next thing we need to do is to trim the cables back, and only the live and neutral, the earth stays the same length. So I cut that back about half the length of the earth cable, cut that off, and then we need to trim the ends, so just about 5mm. Same again, and then with the earth cable, same again. Now if you look at this cutter, you'll see that there are holes all the way up that cut your different size cables, so as long as you select the right size, you cannot cut through the cable. So it's a safety thing as well. So you just select your size cable and close it and pull the end off, and there we are. Next we just twist the cables so they're neat and tidy. Okay, and then we're ready to put them into the plug. So we are going to put the live cable in first, which is, as you remember, the brown. So that goes inside, and tighten the screw, not over tight. Next goes the neutral. So to do this, we put a little turn on the cable that allows easy access. The blue goes in, tighten down, remember not to over tighten, just snug. And lastly, the earth cable, the same thing, you put a little bend to give it easy access. That goes in, and tighten the screw down. Just snug, push that back, and then we push the cables into the middle so that they are inside its housing. We don't want to, when we put the cable in and put the cap on, is to crush it. The next thing we do is the retaining clip. Which the screw goes in. Take our Phillips screwdriver and halfway tighten. The second screw goes in likewise. Now you can tighten this one down, and that is purely so if you're taking the plug in and out, you don't tear it away from its holding. Then once we made sure our cables are all in their box, the top can go on, push it together, tighten the screw, not over tight, just snug, and there we have it, a 3-pin plug. Most appliances today come with moulded plugs, but you never know when you've got to change a plug on an existing unit. So there we are.